Ooh, what a smell! Are you tired of litter mess and scooping cat shit? Some magic and no more problems.
Where's my cat? Where's my cat?
Nah, just kidding. Actually, I have a real solution. And no magic. Meet PetyPot, the world's first AI-powered litter-free self-cleaning cat toilet with pads. It's specifically designed to free you from scooping, litter mess, and bad odors forever. The main problem of all cat toilet solutions is litter. Cats are always kicking litter outside the litter box and tracking it all over the house. PetyPot works with special pads for cats. Thus, it keeps your house clean and free from litter mess. Standard litter boxes are smelly and need to be scooped multiple times a day. PetyPot does all the dirty work and prevents odors from spreading, so your house always smells fresh. PetyPot works pretty simple. After a cat does its business, special sensors detect its exit, and PetyPot automatically starts the self-cleaning process. The system replaces the used pad with a fresh one from a clean roll. The used pad, along with all the waste, is rolled into another roll, which is then compressed and sealed. The used pad roll is securely isolated to prevent the spread of odors. Wow!
There is no smell, and it's absolutely clean.
PetyPot is easy to maintain. When the roll is done, just swap it out for a new one. One roll lasts up to 15 days. So you don't have to worry about your cat, even on vacation. PetyPot is controlled remotely via a mobile app. The app provides you with real-time updates, including usage statistics, the number of clean pads left, and other information.
No scooping, no litter mess, and no odors. What else can I dream about?
About cat poop photos.
What?
Our furry friends instinctively hide poor well-being. This leads to a situation when owners detect cat sickness when it's too late for proper care. That's why tracking kitties' poop and pee is a good way to look for signs of trouble. PetyPot's white pad makes it easy to notice any changes in cats' waste. That's why we upgraded PetyPot with an AI camera, turning it into the real 24/7 cat health monitoring system. All in one, it tracks changes in cats' weight, bathroom behavior, and even its waste. The camera captures each cat visit, analyzing its poop and pee, so the system is able to detect abnormalities and alerts you when the situation could require a vet visit.
It's a revolution.
That's what first-generation PetyPot users talk about all the time. Many cat parents have already tried the first generation of PetyPot and loved it. But now it's time for the second generation of PetyPot. Forget about litter mess, bad odors, and scooping. Be among the first owners of PetyPot Smart. Get yours today on Kickstarter.